14 of St. Lucia's brightest young minds are gearing up for a transformative experience abroad, members of the latest cohort to be trained as an investment in St. Lucia's human resource. In a briefing preceding their departure, Minister with responsibility for education, sustainable development, innovation, science, technology and vocational training, Honorable Shawn Edward, delivered a stirring message to scholarship recipients bound for Morocco, urging them to represent St. Lucia with pride and unity.
Let me first of all congratulate every single one of you for having been awarded scholarships to study in Morocco. Once you enter the departure lounge at that airport at Hiwanura, you are no longer your own person. The words that come out of your mouth in Morocco, your actions, how you conduct yourselves, would be a reflection of 180,000 people in St. Lucia. Today you can go to university because others made sacrifices. I went to university because those before me made sacrifices. So in equal measure, you have a responsibility to the next generation. The students who are currently in the primary schools of our country, you are expected to build on that foundation for them.
The scholarships, made possible through bilateral relations between St. Lucia and Morocco, provide a chance for the young scholars to excel in fields critical to St. Lucia's development. Extending support to each other, Edward says, is a necessary step toward success.
When you get to a foreign country, you will need the support of each other. That is critical. And when that feeling of doubt begins to take over you, that is when you have to rely on each other. That is when your best friend in Morocco, that is when the girl in the dorm next door has to come and say to you, you can do it. There must be somebody to reassure you that the confidence that the government of St. Lucia placed in you is not a confidence that was misplaced. But it is one that will be vindicated in the end, because you will finish strongly, you'll become the professional that you want to become, and St. Lucia will be ready to embrace you to come and make a difference in this country.
Applauding the achievement of the young scholars, Minister Edward also highlighted existing opportunities created by the government of St. Lucia for nationals choosing to personally fund their studies.
We have something in the Ministry of Education known as the UniPass program, where persons who have taken it upon themselves on their own to pursue higher education, they can apply for a grant. We've gone further to secure at the Saint Lucia Development Bank in excess of $3 million at the Saint Lucia Development Bank, so that persons who want to study, they can go to the bank and they can access monies to go to university. We're giving economic cost awards for the landed campuses of the University of the West Indies, Caville, Mona and St. Augustine, and the list goes on and on.
As these young ambassadors prepare to depart, the Ministry of Education remains confident that their journeys and that of other scholars being trained across the globe will strengthen the bonds between St. Lucia and partnering countries while contributing to national development. From the Communications Unit of the Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training, I am Keba Taliam.